Today I'll be unboxing and assembling this Garvey lot of 4 breeding bird cage. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. This cage is designed for breeders or anyone housing multiple birds. Straight out of the box, it comes with 4 stackable cage sections, a center divider, 8 removable trays, 16 feeder bowls, and a detachable rolling stand. Assembly is simple and tool-free. Each section stacks securely and the dividers slide in easily. The trays and feeders doors fit snugly and the wheels attached to the base if you want mobility. Once assembled, this cage stands 67 inches tall and feels incredibly sturdy. It weighs 62 pounds, much heavier and more stable than typical bird cages this size. Each compartment can be divided, giving birds their own space to prevent fighting. This is ideal for breeding or housing different species. There are 16 feeding boxes, each with a small door so you can refill food without birds escaping. The 8 removable trays make cleaning easy. Each section includes a grate to separate the birds from their waste, keeping the cage clean. You also get 16 wooden perches and plenty of space for toys, feeding bowls, or accessories. Plus, a bottom shelf for extra storage is also available. This setup comfortably fits 8 to 16 medium to large birds, giving them room to stretch, play, and stay safe in their own zones. Overall, it's flexible, durable, and breeder friendly. If you're serious about bird care, this cage checks every box.